for Lake Bourne, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southeast of Lake Maurepas to 10 nautical miles west of Kenner to 24 nautical miles southwest of Orleans Marina, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Mandeville, the midpoint of the Causeway Bridge, Kenner, Eden Isle, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas in Orleans Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.